After watching this class, you'll be able to make the freeze frame effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Do you know what is the freeze frame effect? Let me show you. So you guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how you can do that. So select the clip that you are going to use for that sequence and then make a new sequence. So I'm going for a 4K sequence. From here, I'll select 29 FPS. You can name it maybe transition and then click on OK. It will make a new sequence and then select the clip that you are going to use. Suppose for this video, I'm going to use maybe this clip and click on keep existing settings, and maybe I'm going to use like this clip and then this one. So these are the three clips I'm going to use. And before you trim the clips, you have to select the music that you are going to use, because we are going to edit the video using the music beat. So I'll use my Epidemic Sound plugin. So this is not a sponsor video, but for my musics and sound effects, generally I use Epidemic Sound because I have found the musics from Epidemic Sounds are very high quality musics, and yeah, it's working well for me. If you want to try, you can click the first link in the description to get the trial, and if you like it, then you can purchase the subscription. That is the affiliate link. So if you click on that, it will help to grow this channel. So I'm just searching maybe Epic B-roll, and from here I'm going to use this music. I've used it earlier. You can see I have already downloaded it. So if I click and drag it, I can download it here on the timeline directly, and then I can start working. So from here I'll start the working process. So here I want to have that transition on this bit, so I'll just trim here. So if I just click and drag it, I can trim out, and then click and drag this section. Maybe I'll trim a little bit from here and then align it here. So if I normally play it back, it will not have that effect. Making the effect is pretty simple. Just click and drag it here on this second track to make a duplicate, and then go to the beginning and right click, select add frame hold. That will make a static image of that whole video. So if I play it back, you'll see that video is not playing because it has freezed the first frame of that video. So I'll just click and drag it here to make a overlap with the first clip, and then I'll trim out the excess section, maybe here. Now this section will have that effect. How you can make that? It is pretty simple. First you have to remove the background, and removing background in Adobe Premiere Pro is very easy now. If you are using the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro, select the object selection tool and then click on the subject that you are going to select. So if I just click here, it will select this subject. Now if you go to the effects control panel, if you don't see, go to window and then effects control. From here you'll see the effects control panel. From the effects control panel, click and drag the object mask here on top of your opacity section. So it will remove the background. Now if I play it back, yeah, it is showing the subject, but it is not moving. Now the interesting section, you have to animate it. How you can animate it? There are several ways to animate it. First way is to use the simple motion, position and scale property. So I can just add a keyframe here and then add a keyframe here. Then go to the first keyframe, I can move the subject. So if I play it back, you can see it is revealing. But the problem is there is no motion blur. If we use the transform effect, then we can add the motion blur manually, and that will sell the effect. So we're not going to use the motion property to animate it. So I'll just undo it. I have to go to the effects panel. If you don't see, go to window and then effects, and from here search for transform. And there under the video effects, you'll see transform effect. Click and drag it here. But the problem is if you directly add the transform effect here, and then if you change the position, you can see it is changing the position of the whole image. So what we need to do, we need to nest the clip first before applying that transform effect. So undo it or delete the transform effect, then right click here and nest this clip. Click on nest, then click on OK. Now if you apply the transform effect and then change the position, you can see it is not moving the whole clip now. So now we can animate this section. So go to the last part of this clip, so here, and then add a keyframe for position, and then go to the beginning part and change the position here. Now if I play it back, still there isn't any motion. To add the motion, you have to scroll down and uncheck the use composition shutter and add the shutter angle. You can see it is introducing the motion blur. That is what we want. And one more thing you can do, click on the last keyframe and right click, then click on temporal interpolation. From here, select ease in. On the first keyframe, select ease out. Then click here on this arrow, and then you can modify the keyframe just by clicking and dragging these handles. So now if I play it back, so it is looking good, right? Again for the second one, you can put here. It's very simple once you do this for a couple of times. Drag the clip, make a duplicate, then right click, add frame hold, then select the object selection and select the rock. Click and drag it here on top of opacity. Right click, nest it, and then click and drag it here. Make a cut. Now the process is very simple. You can just select the transform, press Ctrl or Command C to copy the effect, and you can select the top clip, Ctrl or Command V to paste it out. You may need to adjust the keyframe a bit for the clip. Now if I play it back, so it's pretty simple. Here you can see for my timeline, I have added the music, then I have added some sound effects, and I have faded out the section a bit to blend the clip with each other. So you can do that too. And here is my final one. So I hope you have got the idea. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.